Hey guys, what's going on? So this is gonna be another origami paper unboxing. So here we go. So this is some new elephant hide paper, aka wyndstone marble. I got from kimscrane.com, and here we go. So it comes in a long box like this. So there's supposed to be 3 sheets in here. I ordered 3 sheets for myself, so there should be 2 like charcoal colored ones and 1 cream one. So here we go. And then I'll put one over on my desk over there to use as my background. Okay, let's do the unboxing here. I'm so excited, by the way. I love elephant hide paper. I like using it as my background. Get this tape off here. Okay. Yeah, they roll it up into a tube and they put it in this box for shipping. Yep, and then there's styrofoam peanuts in there. Okay. So it comes in a tube like this. Styrofoam peanuts everywhere. Okay. Oh yeah, and by the way, this brown, that's actually the same kind of paper I used when I made that flasher hat video. So there's the brown paper that comes with it. And inside are the sheets. Okay. Okay. Okay, get all these styrofoam peanuts out of the way here. Here, I'll face the camera down a little bit. Okay, so hopefully it's actually the colors I asked for. There should be 2 blacks in here, or I mean charcoal colored ones, which are like a dark gray color, and like a white or cream one. Okay, so let's unroll it here. Oh, cool! And here it is. So there's the charcoal right here, and on this side, there's the cream. Wow! I am so psyched about. I'm so thrilled about this. Okay. Maybe I'll put the cream one on my desk over there and use that for my background. That is awesome. Maybe if I use a charcoal one, I'll put that one on top. Okay. Alright, well that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, if you want to get this, go to kimscrane.com. I have the link for that in the description below. The name of the website. And yeah, and go to the elephant hide, and they have all different colors. They have gray, which I have already. They have brown, which I have, and they have charcoal and white and all that stuff. And they have yellow too, I think. They have a pretty good amount of colors you can select from. All right, well enough of that. I'll go ahead and shut my mouth. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys with another tutorial soon. All right, bye bye. So my next tutorial hopefully will be with one of these backgrounds. All right, bye folks.